Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the Instagram instant option not showing problem on your Instagram account. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First open your phone settings and scroll down, then tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, again tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option. First to last allow all permission, first calendar allow, back, second call logs allow, back, third camera allow. Okay, back, another contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, done, and go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, and now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and now open your Instagram app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. And please subscribe, like, comment and share now.